Whatever challenges lie ahead for your business, there's a process that helps you meet them well prepared. It's called workforce planning. It helps you manage your talent, ensuring you have the right amount of people, in the right roles for their skills, at the right time. It's about allocating your resources to best deliver your immediate and long-term objectives. And it's also about helping you identify the kind of team you'll need in the future. Effective workforce planning requires good people management practices, such as identifying the potential of your employees, understanding your business aims, having the flexibility to deal with changing circumstances. To create your plan, you should consider the amount of employees needed to achieve your goals and where they'll work, the skills they need now and in the future, and if these skills are generic or specialised, the budget you'll need to pay for any training. Departing or absent personnel can impact productivity. Consider how to respond to planned and unplanned change, and how you'll review and adjust your plan on an ongoing basis. Good workforce planning will get the best from your people and transform your business. To learn more, visit the Skills Information Hub at businesswales.gov.wales/skillsgateway or call 03000 6 03000.